What's up, guys? This is my first video on my channel, and it's going to be a bike check. So let's get started. My grips, I have ODI O grips. We have the O design, the I. They're really soft and good once you wear them in. ODI bar ends. Shadow Voltus bars 8-inch rise. They're light and good. Sabroso hold tight stem. Front load. Some random headset. Forks, Sapient forks with a Fit FAF Redwall tire. It doesn't look like it's a Redwall anymore because it's gotten worn down. It's really slim. I need 2.25. See, that's really slim. Shadow Little Ones peg. DK peg. Alloy valve cap right there. Back to the frame. Oh crap. Sapient Saga frame. It's a really good, even though you can't buy it unless you buy the whole bike. It's on thehouse.com. $250. Shadow Conspiracy Crow seat. Soft and good. Love it. The sprocket is a Sapient sprocket. KMC half-link chain. I love it. It's really good, and strong, and durable. Cranks. I got Sapient cranks. I have a lot of Sapient parts. I'm gonna replace them soon after Christmas. My pedals, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I tightened them so they won't spin a lot. Seat clamp, shadow post, seat post, Shadow Little Ones peg, Primo drive side hub guard, Primo peg, Sapient back wheel, FAF tire, alloy valve cap. And now I'm gonna do a hub sound for my Sapient hub. So yeah. So that is my bike right here. It weighs 25.5 pounds, normal weight for a bike usually. So yeah, that's it, and thanks for watching. Bye.